my name is Lars Vogel. I believe it's about 15 years ago that I've been at the university, so it's great to be here. T-Systems is part of Deutsche Telekom, for the ones who don't know this, and here in Munich we have the T-Systems Innovation Center, and the T-Systems Innovation Center does innovations for T-Systems and Deutsche Telekom, as well as also work together with partners for solutions for external partners. I'm from T-Systems Multimedia Solutions, which is also part of T-Systems and Deutsche Telekom, and I'm heading the office here in Munich. Our topic today is we want to prove together with you that the technology and the market is mature enough for the tricorder of Star Trek. And this with standard technology. So the tricorder, what was that? I'm not that big of a Star Trek fan, but the tricorder, pardon me?
It's not a good opening.
Well, I'm honest. So this is so the tricorder is basically something scanning objects and also bodies and give you information. So we do quite a lot of projects in the industry with customers, where customers complain in a factory, for instance, that especially at night shifts, something is going to happen in the factory, nobody knows what to do. And also we have problems like if somebody gets all of a sudden sick, if he breaks together, what's wrong with this person? How can we help this person instantly and secure his life? So there are tools, obviously, as of today, to also help in the industry to analyze machines and give hints what to do. And obviously things in the health environment to help first aid. But what we don't have is one tool, a standard tool, which can all of it. So those are actually the three challenges we want to solve together with you. And how does this look like? Actually, there should be a tricorder, like using a standard solution, who can, on the one hand side, scan objects like a machine due to sensors, for instance, and tell you what's wrong, but also tell you, or the operator, what he can do to fix the problem. And the same thing on a human being using augmented reality. So the visionary scenario is two things. The first responder, so imagine a person is sick, something is going to happen. So you take the tricorder, should be a standard. So what is a standard? It's a handy, it's a mobile phone. So should be using your standard phone, scan the body, and then tell what's wrong, the heart, for instance, or the lungs, or whatever, and also tell what can be done. The second thing is in a factory, so also the same device, and this is the challenge here. We don't want to have a second device or third device. We want to have one device for both scenarios, one standard. And so also something is wrong with the machine. He takes this mobile device, he goes through the machine, and then it tells you exactly at which area of the machine something is wrong and actually how to repair this. On the top level design, it's don't matter which area to be used. You have something at your hand, and also whatever you see here gets transported maybe to an expert. So if all the information you receive on your mobile device are not sufficient, then same information goes to an external, and he sees on his laptop actually everything you see. So the information of the sensors, as well as the object itself, and then can also help you. The solution will necessarily based on interfaces like REST, Java, Bluetooth will also be involved. So the functional requirement is to have a tricorder independent from the situation. And here, actually using the iPhone. Probably all of you who are familiar with AR technology know that I believe now 1.5 years, 2 years ago, Apple bought Metaio, like a startup from Munich, leading company in the tracking technology. And with a new operating system of the iPhone, this solution is integrated. So we want to prove with you how far we can go with this integrated tracking technology and the iPhone, building this tricoder. And the deliverables is really to have a microservice used by this iPhone, which can then integrate it in other solutions. We already work with our customers, so it's really something that customers will be usable afterwards. So we also bring into the table customers we can verify if it makes sense. Also we would like to have a comparison to existing tracking technologies like Foforia, for instance. And what we offer is like real use cases, real customers, and a real innovative environment here in Munich. Thank you very much.